Vlogmas day 9, I believe. We made it. It's 9:30ish, 9:25, but I don't have any class today. I'm going out to Queen Creek, Santan area. I have some homework I need to do. I am filming and editing a TikTok right now. Well, I already filmed it. I'm just editing it. I'm gonna make some coffee in a second. And so you see that fat mess right there? Yeah, so I have to clean that up. That is from putting my makeup on yesterday. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna water my plants, and oh, I still have to finish editing yesterday's vlog. It's edited. I just need to put like the Vlogmas day 8. I think it's 8. Oh my gosh. So we're on Vlogmas 9. I don't know if I said that already, but I have to just put like the Vlogmas day 8 thing on it. And then that's pretty much done. I probably should start packing because as we discovered, oh, it's not posted yet, but, or as we discovered in yesterday's vlog, I'm graduating next Friday. I thought it was in 2 weeks, but it's not, and so I have to, I don't know why I sound like that, it's kind of sick, but I have to pack everything up. Ugh. So yeah, maybe I'll start packing. I'll take you along with me for the day. But yeah, let's make whoa, let's make some coffee because I don't function in the mornings well without my coffee. So let's go to that. Mug. I love you to the North Pole and back. Ugh. Also, does anyone else have this problem with the Keurig Slim or any Keurigs that it literally splashes everywhere? I wipe this down at least twice a day because I have like I wipe it down like every single time I have a cup of coffee. It's seriously so annoying. And then this gets all dirty. Ugh, it's a problem. This is the best sound in the world, and nobody can convince me otherwise. Okay, outfit of the day real quick. It's just this sweater. It's cropped. I have some American Eagle jeans on, and then I have my vest on from Old Navy. It's not that cold, but I thought it went with the fit, so no, then it went with the fit, so cute. Okay, so we're headed out. I'm wearing my vest as you saw. The other thing I don't like about this vest is that my head looks fat when I have it on, but it's okay.
I feel like I'm going snowboarding today.
Yes, it's kind of chilly, but he was staring at me, it got weird. Okay guys, it's been a hot minute. I'm now in Queen Creek. I've been in Queen Creek, but I just had dinner. I sat down to edit and to watch the Vlogmases I haven't watched yet. I'm still literally in my vest because I'm freezing. But I was planning on going to Black Rock and trying like some of their new holiday drinks, and they're like they're having like a sale, like a deal, not a sale, but so we will see if I do that, and if I do, I'll get back to you. I hate how this like cuts off my neck, but it is what it is. So just wanted to come back here and say sorry. I haven't been vlogging all day. I haven't been doing really much at all. I sat in the car for literally an hour on the way here. So yeah, I have class tomorrow, and yeah,